Hello everybody, this is How to Nefarious, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make money using stake.us at the lowest volatility rate, okay? So, you're going to go to stake.us, sign in, go to DICE, you just type in DICE, D-I-C-E, go to DICE, the original DICE, stake original, okay? I'm going to go to manual so I can try to do this, alright? So, you're going to want to slide this all the way to the left because we want a 98% chance of winning. We want it to be as high as possible, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to type in 0.5, all right? 0.5, which gives us a 0.01 net gain on win, okay? Now, like I said, that's very low. That's okay because what we're trying to do is we're trying to prevent ourselves from really losing much of anything. We're trying to gain it. So even if it takes a long time, it's going to work. 98%, okay? So let's start. Let's try this, right? Alright, see I did 1. See it went up. It was 315.70. Now it's 315.71. Okay, I'm going to do it again. See? Okay. 0.72. See, it says it's 0.01. So, okay. See, 0.73. 0.74. Okay. And so basically, you're just going to keep on repeating this until you get the big bucks, okay? I've actually done this a lot, and I actually have a very high chance of winning, like, at least, like, 10 stake coins in a very short period of time. So if I end up doing that again, I will definitely let you guys know, but yeah, that's all you gotta do. Just, like I said, so go to DICE, stake original, go to manual, slide this all the way to the left, put in 0.5, unless you want to, like, times to it, or half it, or whatever, but I wouldn't recommend that as much, because you have a higher chance of losing it. So this is literally the best way to do it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next how-to video. Peace.